I said it before and I'll say.
I'm gonna clean out my closet and my drawers right now. So, come on.
Personality matrix holes and charts. It's all about the bumps in your heart.
I have this shirt, but I don't know what to do with it. It fits weird. I think I'm gonna give it away. After how many years, it's time to throw these away. Bye. This is the first pile that is going away. This is just from my closet. It's not that much. But yeah, getting rid of a lot of skinny jeans. A lot of skinny jeans. Now I'm going to do underwear off camera for obvious reasons. So I'll catch you after. So this is everything in the drawer that I threw away. In this drawer, which is a lot because I just threw stuff away recently. So that's great. I'm now this much lighter in clothes. Last but not least, the drawer, the main drawer. It's the first mask I ever bought in like January of 2020, and side broke off and it was really good. This is pajamas, this is random stuff. This is shirts, this is pants, and then under that is sweaters. Bye.